Hey everyone! Welcome to the Ultimate Wix Studio Guide for Agencies in 2025. If you're looking to quickly launch a professional-looking website for your agency without getting bogged down in complicated coding or design work, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your agency's site live and looking uniquely yours, all using Wix Studio's powerful templates and customization options. Let's dive right in. To make our work faster and way more efficient today, we're going to take full advantage of Wix Studio's templates. You could technically start building your website from scratch, and that's great for full creative control. But to keep things focused and honestly, to save you hours, we'll stick with templates for this demo. They're a huge time saver, and you'll see just how much they speed things up. Our first move is to head over to the site's dashboard. If you haven't used Wix before, don't worry, it's super intuitive. Picture this as your workspace where all your projects live. Find the button that says Create New Site. It's usually easy to spot near the top right. Click that, and you'll be prompted to choose how to start. Here's where the magic of templates comes into play. You'll want to select Studio Template. Think of these templates like pre-built layouts designed by professional designers. They're essentially a huge library of starting points that you can mold to fit your agency's brand. Next, we want something that fits agencies specifically. So use the search bar and type in agency. This part might take just a few moments as Wix pulls up a whole gallery of agency-focused templates. Take a look through the options. Each template has a different feel. Some are sleek and modern, others might be more creative or bold. I recommend picking one that matches your agency's vibe or target audience. For example, if you work with tech startups, maybe go for one with crisp lines and lots of space. Creative agencies might want pops of color or unusual layouts. Once you've chosen the template you love, click Edit. This is where you get to make the site truly yours. The first thing I advise is to change the name. If the template says something generic like Creative Studio, swap that with your agency's actual name. This instantly makes the site feel personal and branded. Next, update the images. Templates often come with beautiful stock photos, but you want your clients to recognize your work, your team, and maybe even your office. Click on any image in the template and swap it out for a photo that represents your agency. If your team is small, even a group photo goes a long way toward building trust. Don't forget to add your own agency details, like your tagline, contact information, and any unique selling points you offer. Feel free to move sections around or delete anything that doesn't apply to your agency. Wix Studio makes it easy to drag and drop, so play with the layout until it feels just right. Once you're happy with all your customizations, take a deep breath and double-check everything looks good. Preview your site. See how it looks both on desktop and mobile. Sometimes, little details like font size or image alignment show up differently than you expect. Finally, when you're ready, just hit Publish. Your website is now live. Head over to your live site in a new tab to see it in action. That's it. You've quickly built a professional agency website, and it's out there for the world to see. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps. Drop a comment if you have any questions or you want help picking the perfect template. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new agency website.